In today's Ethereum analysis on weekly time frame, we had this level of resistance for the price. If you have watched my previous analysis, I told you that we have this level of resistance and the candle we want on that engulfing candle, so we can risk on that. If you are trading based on support and resistances, risk somewhere here, put your stop loss above the candle and enter a long-term sell position and look for your reward, which right now they are in reward if you have entered. Okay, and right now we have also this trend line for the price with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on that. If the price can break it to the downside, we can have the second confirmation to enter a long-term sell position on Ethereum. But let's check daily time frame to see what we have there. If you have watched my previous analysis, I told you that we have 3 supports on the price and we have touched 2 of them. Okay, we had this level of support on the 4-hour time frame and this level of support on the daily time frame, okay, where the price was going up and touches a level and it starts falling. Okay, and when it breaks it and it makes some pullbacks, it continues going up. So this is a nice level of support for Ethereum, and the price gave us a nice pin bar on that like this. Okay, I told you that we can risk somewhere here with a stop loss below the candle and look for our reward. Right now the price is in the way to give us our reward, and right now we are in profit somewhere here. Okay, and it might go up even more and give us our reward we want. But also we have this trend line for the price. If the price can break it to the upside and close the candle up there on daily time frame, we can also enter a buy position there and set our stop loss and we're safe and look for our reward. Let's check 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame, we have this trend line for the price. Ignore these trend lines on the bigger time frame. Okay, we have this trend line for the price. If the price can break it to the downside, we can have our sell position opened and look for our reward. Okay, ignoring these trend lines on the daily and weekly time frame, we have this trend line on the 4-hour time frame. Let's check. Let me see what we have. Nothing. Let's check 1-hour time frame. I think in my previous analysis I told you that we have this level of resistance. I think I told you that if we have a nice candle on that on lower time frames, we can enter sell position. I will show you in a 15-minute time frame. We will have some these are the supports for weekly time frame, daily time frame, and the price is getting rejected exactly from those levels, once here and second time here. And right now on 1-hour time frame we have some shadows from upside. Okay, and this level is also it can be a nice level of resistance in the 15-minute time frame, because the price is getting rejected several times from this level, and it can be a nice level of resistance and the candle we want. The price can see some lower prices on 1-hour and 15-minute time frame. Okay, and because of the resistance and the candle we want on that. Let's check 15-minute time frame. On 15-minute time frame, I just forgot why I have drawn these levels of support and resistances. I believe in my previous analysis I told you that we have this level of resistance, and if we see a nice candle on that like this one, we can risk on that and enter sell position with a stop loss above the candle and look for our reward, which the price gives us, of course, something like, I don't know, 6 or 7 somewhere here. Okay, which is fantastic. And when the price breaks it to the upside and makes a pullback like this, and it gives us and when it breaks it to the upside, our resistance becomes support. Okay, and also on support we have this nice pin bar, which is showing that the price is getting rejected from this level of support. Then the price starts going up from this level and we could enter buy position here with a stop loss below the candle and get our reward. On 5-minute time frame, on 5-minute time frame I don't see anything special. You know, we have this trend line broken to the downside. Right now we can risk somewhere here and enter sell position with a stop loss above the candles and look for our reward. and our reward can be this level of support. And also let me draw a new support here like this one, deleting this one. We can close our sell position here, and if we see a nice candle on that, we can enter a reversed position, a buy position, and set our stop loss below the candle and get our reward. Okay, let's check 1 minute time frame to see what we have. On 1 minute time frame, you can see the price broke it to the downside and it made this pullback, and it is right now falling. Okay, and I don't see anything special, but you know, we can draw some supports here too, but I'm not gonna do that because the price is just started falling. Okay, it just broke a pattern, it just broke a trend line, and it is in the way, in the transition. Okay, and it is illogical to enter a buy or sell position when the price is in transition, when it just broke a trend line. Okay, we can't just, you know, enter whenever we like. You know, we must see the patterns or support and resistances we want, and the candles we want on them, to enter buy and sell positions based on them. Okay guys, it was all about today's analysis of Ethereum. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.